My portfolio, work-based learning with emphasis on trainers' methodology. Qualification, electronic products, assembly and servicing NC2. Table of content, TNA Form 1, TNA Form 2, TNA Form 3, training plan, list of tools, materials, equipments, and facilities, trainings record book, trainings progress sheet. TNA Form 1 is a self-assessment used to find out trainee traits and level of knowledge in a certain competency unit. From the basic competency in the other basic competency unit, the common competency, which has a distinct competency unit, and the core competency, which has its own distinct competency unit. According to their understanding of the specific unit of competency, the learners will check the yes and no columns. The evaluation shows that trainees in electronic product assembly and servicing NC2 are strong in basic competency like communication, teamwork, and safety. However, they need improvement in common competencies such as computer operation and different technical drawings. The lowest performance is seen in core competencies, especially in assembling, testing, and repairing electronic products. This means more hands-on practice and technical training are needed to enhance their practical skills and meet industry standards. The training need analysis form 2 will present you with a comparison of required and current competency from my respondent. This form important is to ascertain which particular skills the trainee lacks, requires gaps, and skills that the trainee can perform. This training need analysis form will allow us to determine the trainees, the module, the title module abstraction, as well as the most often used summary within the system development process for effective training. The purpose of accomplishing the TNA form is to help trainee student and institution in assessing the specific training needs of individuals seeking action to improve their abilities. It makes sure that the provided training aligns with the workforce demands and helps people achieve success in life. In a training plan, a detailed explanation of training process is given, encompassing the requirements, assignments, training method, and line of time duration. It includes identifying the kind of training that employee and instructors, training requirements, assessment methods, the location, the facilities, equipment, and tools needed. The plan includes a description of training schedule, including the date and time. The training program serves to guide the facility creation of capable instructor with a real-world experience. The training that is focused on the workplace plan serves as a means of agreement between the training facility and the industry guarantee high-quality training. List of tools, materials, equipment, and facilities. The equipment, materials, and tools list as well as the training facilities. In the training, this is crucial. This will be utilized throughout the training season. A list of materials is provided along with their quantity. The same is true of the tools and equipment. There is a quantity to avoid for each of these. Conflict with other trainings must use the specific tools as well as equipment and materials. The facilities have their area in square feet says in meter and space requirements meter as well as the total square footage meters. The presiding table illustrates how the training facility is large and expensive to prevent the facility from being overcrowded with trainees and to do the job or task effectively. The purpose of training book is to document everything. The 7 numbers from 10A Form 1 are the main emphasis of the training. Also mentioned here, the education, the mission, vision, and overall goals of institution, and the faculty and the staff at the school. Next, the various competency units, depending on the learning objectives covered in the gaps and training. The columns are the learning objective, necessary tasks or activity, that completed comments from the supervisors. This will serve as the training's guide throughout the instruction. The training progress sheet has a rating column utilized by simply by stating or by assigning a numerical rating, either competent or not. 7 columns are the present They are the competency units, training activities, and training line. Start and end dates. Rating trainees initial supervisor first. This is centered on the training gap or the TNA Form 1. Numbers the overall amount of the hours and the training dates and line. Thank you.